Till now, you have seen how automation can send emails and use AI for smart content. In this video, we are moving into social media automation. We will build an AI powered workflow in N10 that generates motivational quotes automatically for Instagram Reels. We will learn how AI creates content, how N10 structures it, and how this can save hours of manual work. Let's build an AI quote generator for Instagram Reels. Click the Create Workflow button. First, create a new workflow and add a schedule trigger node. We want a new post every day, so set the interval to days and the value to 1. Next, add the Google Gemini node. This is our AI writer. Select Messenger model and choose Gemini Pro 1.5 Flash for the best speed. Add a code node next. We will use these to organize the AI answers. Don't worry about writing code. We will get AI to do that for us too. Last node, Google Sheets. This is where we will save our quotes. Select Append Row to add new lines automatically. Let's use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. I will tell it I need Instagram quotes and upload a screenshot of my workflow so it sees exactly what I am doing. While ChatGPT thinks, go to the sheets. Create a new sheet with 3 columns. First, quotes. Second, VO. And the third one is date. VO for the video description. Back to the ChatGPT, I am asking it for a prompt for Gemini and the JavaScript code to format the data for my sheet. Giving it context helps avoid errors. ChatGPT gave us the prompt to copy the text and paste it into your Gemini node in N8N. This tells the AI exactly how to write the code. Now, set up your Google Sheets node, connect your account and select the spreadsheet we just made. We will leave the columns alone for a second. Grab the code from ChatGPT and paste it into the code node. Let's hit execute to test it. Oops, looks like we got an error message. That's happened sometimes. I will just copy the error and the code and ask an AI tool like Google AI Studio to fix it for me. The AI fixed the code and that's pretty cool. Copy the new version and paste it back into N10 and run it again. Okay, perfect. Now we have clean data ready for the spreadsheet. Open the Google Sheets node again. Now we just map the data, drag and drop, quotes, VO and date from the input to match your columns. Okay, let's run one final test. It looks green. Check your spreadsheet and there's your content. Turn your workflow to active and you are all set. So this is all about this workflow. Now you have seen how easy it is to generate Instagram Reels quotes using AI and N10. This is just the beginning of content automation. In the next video, we will take this workflow even further. In the next video, we will see another workflow. This is PcomLab. Enjoy and learn and keep building with tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.